Take 4 to 5 fresh Indian gooseberries, which is also known as amla, and wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. After that, grate them using a grater, or you can cut them into small pieces. Make sure you remove the seeds of amla. Put grated amla or chopped amla pieces in a mixer jar to make a fine paste. Once the paste is ready, simply extract the juice. Now there are two ways to use this juice for your hair treatment. One is direct application of juice on your scalp, and other is to consume the juice. For direct application, mix 2 tablespoons of amla juice and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Apply this concoction on your scalp. Gently massage your scalp to improve blood circulation. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash off your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. You can use this remedy once or twice in a week. You can also drink amla juice. For this, take 1/2 glass of water and add 2 tablespoons of amla juice to it and drink it. To add little flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey and few drops of lemon juice. Massaging your scalp with amla oil helps boost blood circulation. This in turn optimizes nourishment to your follicles and increases hair growth. Not only this, but amla oil also helps get rid of dry flakes from the scalp and dissolves grease and dirt from the follicles, improving overall scalp health. Boosted scalp health allows for the optimization of the pH levels and oil production. One of the biggest factors that cause hair breakage is the deficiency of vitamin C, and one of the easiest ways to replenish your body with this essential vitamin is consuming amla. Along with vitamin C, amla is also extremely rich in antioxidants, which keep your hair and follicles healthy by fighting off the damage-causing free radicals. Regularly using amla for hair care also helps strengthen the hair shafts, preventing issues such as breakage and split ends. You can consume amla juice daily to promote healthy hair growth. Eating a few pieces of amla fruit every day can help you in terms of preventing gray hair, promoting hair growth, and improving the scalp condition. Benefits of eating amla daily include strong, lustrous hair, glowing clear skin, and good immunity and digestion. It has enough vitamin C to help you in improving skin health along with hair health. Blood circulation is also improved with intake of amla daily. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching the video.